And let's start by writing our first class for the course and for the project. And this class is the LED class, and you can see here we have the blink LED example, which we are going to rewrite using object-oriented programming. So let's start by writing the class directly, and I'm going to go step by step, okay? In this section, every video will build on top of the previous one. So I'm going to create a class here on top of the void setup and void loop. And to create a class, first I need to use the class keyword. So the class keyword here should turn blue, as you can see. And then just after the class keyword, I can specify the name of the class. So I'm going to name it LED. And a very important convention is to start the name of the class with an uppercase letter, okay? So you start with an uppercase letter, and then, well, this is an LED, so I could write, for example, like this, class LED with all uppercase letters. What I'm going to choose instead is to use lowercase for E and D, okay? So I can just keep the uppercase here, and that doesn't really make any difference. So once you have class and the name of the class, you can open and close curly brackets. Let's actually put this in a new line, and everything between those two curly brackets is related to the class LED. So every new attribute, every new functionality you want for this class, you are going to put it inside this block of code. And one very important thing is that after the closing curly brackets, you are going to add a semicolon. Very important, otherwise you will get a lot of errors in your code. So this is the structure of the class. Class keyword, name of the class with an uppercase letter first, curly brackets, semicolon. And now in this class you will be able to write all the functionalities, so we can use what we call abstraction, which means that you're going to abstract all the functionalities here, the pin mode, digital write, etc. So in your code, you just need to call different functions and methods inside the LED class, and you don't need to worry about using pin mode and digital write directly in the code of the setup and the loop. And I'm going to come back to this abstraction thing in the following videos.